This is going to be amazing. I have the list of affordable gifts you can consider getting for your boyfriend this year. Yes, Valentine is very close, and I think I should make this video for the people that really love the privilege of making someone smile, just maximizing that day. You mustn't know everything about the fact or the history of Valentine, but at least you can take advantage of the moment to be a blessing and to just make someone feel good. So if you have someone you admire, at some point in your life, you definitely have to admire someone. Number one of it is a backpack. Men don't joke with backpack, but you can check their status before you determine whether you can finally give them a backpack. Some status or some levels of life cannot just give him room to wear backpack, but nevertheless he can decide to make use of it. And again is that before you present a gift to a guy, before you choose from this top 10 gifts, you have to consider the very fact that gifts can either be used by your boyfriend or he's going to give it to someone else as a gift. So depending on how you want him to make use of the gift will determine how serious and how committed you will be in making the choice and the right choice of the gift for him. Yes, because you can decide to give him a gift you want to see him put on, you always want to see him with them, then you have to make a right choice of what he's going to appreciate, what he can actually put on. You have to consider his status, his kind of job, his lifestyle, and his environment. Very important you do that because that will only determine what he's going to put on, what he's going to wear, what he's going to make use of, depending on the kind of gift you want to give to him. Else, you might end up giving him a gift and he's going to give it to someone else. Yes, he might appreciate it, but he's going to give it to someone else. I'm one person that when I give you something, sometimes I look out to see how you appreciate it, not just by thanking me, but putting them on when I see them. So I don't know for every other person. There are people that can just give you a gift. They don't really mind what you do with the gift. There are people like that. If you fall in that category, it's no problem. But if you fall in the category of people that would want your person or the person you give the gift to make use of them, then you have to pay close attention to the kind of thing they love, the kind of thing they put on, the kind of thing they wear. It might be expensive, but they don't like it. It might be lovely, but it's not their thing, it's not their choice. So you pay close attention to the colors, their choice of colors, their choice of style, their choice of, things. Just get to know exactly their kind of thing. Then you can decide on what to go for. So number two is perfume. Every guy loves a good cologne. Of course, we have masculine cologne. So when you get to where you are buying cologne, you can ask them for masculine fragrances. From there, you are going to select a very fine cologne and you can package that. Of course, that's very affordable and it's something you can actually do. Number three is speaker. Yes, guys don't joke with speakers. Like, they love sound, they love it rich. So you have what it takes to afford a speaker for them. You can just go ahead and get a very good speaker for them. Just get what you can afford. We have mini speakers that are very nice and very good. So of course, depending on the level of your guy, you can decide on what to get for him. So number four is sunglasses. Of course, most guys, 75% I would say, don't joke with sunglasses. You can also consider getting him a sunglass. Number five is a good wireless earphone. That would do a good job. Guys love earphones a lot. You can also consider getting that. Number six is a robe. Wow, they love this one. Like, you have to give it a try. Guys love robe, like masculine robe. Just get it for them. They are going to love that. Trust me. The number seven is a slip-on. It could be a sandal. It could be a slip-on. It could be just something nice and has a good quality. Like, I can assure you that guys don't like cheap things. So you can just get a slip-on, but let it be something that has a good quality, something that looks good, and something that has a masculine color. If you're not good at selecting colors, you can as well get to social media platform, check your Google, check your sites, check some places, and also ask questions. You can ask a friend that is also a guide to help you with the selection of colors. Like, guys love blues, grays, carton colors, and those colors, not necessarily pink, blue, and all that. Of course, I know you want to give him what he's going to appreciate, so I think you should pay attention to colors and styles and all that. It's very important. Number eight is a tie, a bow tie. God, okay, a tie. Different kinds of tie, go for the best and affordable quality. And the next one is a singlet and a boxers. This is beautiful. Like, virtually every guy would love this, but you have to consider their size, their age, just their colors and all that. But I don't think colors plays a major role in this area, but You can just decide to get something, no, get something that was going to be fitted, like good, nice. Number 10 is wallet. You can get them a wallet. If not, every guy loves the wallet. They might not show you, but they have it right in their purse. They have it right in their backpack. They have it right in their cars. They have it always with them. So consider getting him a wallet. This is very affordable. And the next one, which is much more important, is that you have to be very observant. Think about what he likes. I think you still have some days to go before the Valentine. Maybe you have to ask him a question indirectly, not necessarily telling him that you want to get him a gift. Of course, I believe that most people want to present their Valentine gift as a surprise. So if you're in that category, you can just indirectly ask him questions of the list of things he might consider, you know, exceptional gifts and all that. Get back to me through the comment box and let me know what you think about these options that I listed. All these options are very good and you can decide to go for any of them for your boyfriend this Valentine. Love is good, the atmosphere of love is good. You can create it, you can make it, but don't make the mistake of missing it because it doesn't come every time. Smile, rejoice, be happy and feel good.